Hello, everybody. This is the Michael Crafty from Ernakulam district. Quite a homely feeling we are giving you this time because the
Very.
budgets we have increased by tenfold. So the homely feeling is there, and the Govind Menon is in the Bangalore region to do actual activities. He's gone to do the actual things. But what a race we had!
Nasty.
What a race we had in the British Grand Prix.
What a race.
Yes.
What
Man,
a
I
race.
have only cried like twice in my life. Once when the India won the World Cup 50 overs, and then the Hulkenberg is winning the race.
मैं तो नाच
The men's they're having the
man.
tears. Okay, look at him dancing.
यश versus a little too
पधारो मारो देश में. Okay.
free. यश उतना आएगा नहीं तू बैठ जा.
Hulkenberg, yeah. Please, neighbor people will come inside. But Hulkenberg is just won
Finally.
the podium, and again is a podium finish after 2039 races. He is now 95-year-old. It is a curious case of Benjamin Button, but we are very happy. Things that make men happy. So this is me. This is Jalancha Raja Govind Menon आणि कॉलेजच्या पोरींचा आवडता छंद विवेन कास्टलिना सर्वसामान्य माणूस जसपर से
वनकम.
and the courtesy this is his house एक आशियाना एक घराना एक
Welcome
घर.
to my humble abode.
Yes.
So yeah guys, what do you think?
Thank you.
So Govind, what do you think about the race matcha?
मच्छा अरे भाई 4 दिन के लिए आए हो कल वापस बॉम्बे आ रहा हूँ
Tell matcha, matcha, what is your race matcha? Tell matcha. Oh.
dude it actually is fun to watch it with other people also watching it मैं screening पे गया था at Church Street Social Bengaluru
Ooh.
Shout out to social.
thank you
Socials.
shout out क्यों भाई क्यों shout out
हम लोग तो वैसे भी देते ही रहते.
Brand seeding कहते हैं इसे.
shout out to
Marketing.
Church Street Social Church Street but मेरे को तो मजा आ गया था dude it was actually fun because I'll tell you what was more fun one Hulkenberg पे लोग खुश हो गए थे वहाँ पर and second there were a lot of Max Verstappen fans who got so sad when Verstappen spun and then he went back to like whatever 10th or whatever. It's a lot of fun to watch it when others are sad around you when Verstappen does bad.
But I thought you'll also
मेरे को
be
तो मजा आ
sad
गया.
because of Piastri's 10-second penalty.
Yeah, dude.
I was very sad. That's what I was saying. I was very मेरा दिमाग तो खराब हो गया. But Hulkenberg ठीक है चलो second तो आ गया ना Piastri.
That's
He
true.
somehow got that 30-second lead.
After the 10-second penalty also he was second.
Yeah.
So that's a very big thing. That,
The
that
best-
goes on to say a lot about that driver.
But there was a lot of gap between him and Hulkenberg also, no?
Yeah, there was some like 35 second का उसने
28
बना
से
लिया था.
चालू हुआ था,
हाँ.
30 पे हो गया था.
Yeah.
And they decided to put.
This was best case scenario. This is best case scenario
Yeah.
for Piastri वो 10-second penalty
Yeah.
के बाद. So fine. This is good.
Finally a British GP where Hamilton is not on the podium.
Oh man,
Yes.
that was very painful for him also. But
Painful for the
Very
fans
painful.
watching also.
Yeah, very painful.
Lot of Hamilton fanboys will be like, I can't follow. But ठीक है.
But I genuinely think this is one of those races where everything was overshadowed by the fact that Hulkenberg got a
Yeah,
third place
dude.
podium, dude.
at this point, you can see Piastri in the post-race interview saying, "I don't want to talk about what happened with my race because I don't want to say things which will be taken in a bad light." But good for Nico that he got a podium. Definitely the highlight of the day. No, the fact.
But what happened with McLaren? I was if you guys could fill me in.
surely,
कि क्या लफड़ा हो गया कि वो लोग कि पीएसटी बोल रहा था कि मेरे को पोजीशन वापस दे दो, क्या हो रहा था?
So basically, there was a safety car because of
The
really
second
intense-
safety car. First.
Oh,
second.
no, listen. There was a safety car तो नहीं बोल सकते. There were only safety cars in the first half.
Yeah,
of
yeah,
this
yeah. It
race.
wasn't race over here. These were just like incidents with thodu sa race.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's exactly what was happening. Second safety car mein, I think that happened because of a lot of rain. And
Yeah.
during that, Piastri saw the lights go off on the safety car. तो उसके वजह से he braked hard. And now he didn't see at the back how close Max was. So
Yeah.
Max literally cut him उसके आगे गया and then Max was like, bro, what the fuck is happening, man?
Yeah.
What the
Yeah.
fuck, bro? Like, come on, the fuck. तो जैसे ही
And then
race-
10-second penalty
then he got a 10
for
second
doing
penalty.
that.
Yeah.
So he lost positions with Max. B, Max also lost positions later because he's kid.
Because
he
when the
fell
wi-
like
yeah.
he fell down, bro. Like he fell like what 6-7 places.
Yeah. Because
That
when the
was-
safety car
He went
ended
down
and the
to
racing
P10.
started. Yeah.
Yeah. वो P2 में था तभी.
10
Yeah.
say that the later on he had that charge ना 7 पे आया वो.
Yeah.
Yeah. And
Yeah.
then Norris ने उसको कभी overtake किया? Piastri को?
वो तो pit-
Piastri was आगे only.
हाँ.
And then उसका penalty and
वो
then
pits में
yeah.
he served the penalty and then he got
That
out.
was really sad. Like you could see in Piastri's face, like he was just like, "What the fuck is happening, dude?
Yeah.
What the fuck?"
Yeah, I mean that gap also becomes less na
He
to the
felt
championship.
it wasn't his fault
It's
because he was
8.
seeing exactly what the car was showing him.
Yes, it's 8 points now.
Yeah.
It's 8 points, huh?
Yes.
Between them.
They're
It's good,
just,
honestly.
F1 at this moment trying to make the championship interesting.
वो भी हो
Yeah,
सकता
that's what
है.
I'm saying.
I think
It's
the
a-
rains
it's a
made a
good
lot
championship.
of difference.
Yeah. They did rains.
But dude-
They did cloud seeding.
Yeah.
Good one.
Clouds.
Isn't this Lando's first home win?
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Which was again overshadowed by the fact that Nico
Again,
Hulkenberg
do you
got a
actually give a
podium.
fuck, Govind?
Exactly. Who gives a fuck that it's Lando's
It would have been a
first home
huge
win?
thing if
We don't give
Hamilton
a
won.
fuck that Lando won the British GP.
Arey yaar, but that's what everyone
tell you
is
what-
doing. I'll tell you what, one more thing. Every Hulkenberg post on Instagram, YouTube is crossing a fucking million. And then you
That's
see
what I'm
Norris ka
saying.
post, and you're like, yeah, chalo, good for him. But
I'll-
Hulkenberg.
I'll tell you a very simple fact. When whatever they came into park firm, everyone parked their car and everyone got out.
What are you going to talk
And
about?
of course, Sauber is celebrating like no tomorrow, dude. Because again, Sauber getting a podium in the season and Hulkenberg getting that podium. The best thing was Sauber के mechanics है सब लोग घेर लिए ऐसे Hulkenberg को सब लोग Nico सब लोग चिल्ला रहे हैं.
dude.
Fans, everyone. फिर cut to the cameraman just pans to like Lando celebrating with his family और उसका बाप just बोलता है Lando. It's only him
There's
saying.
only his father saying like Lando,
वो
dude.
बोलेंगे ना बिकॉज कैसा है कि उनका कैसा है कि अभी उनके रिलेटिव सब भी आए थे
बराबर।
लोग सब भी बोले कि तुमचा पोरगा जीतने के बाद भी तुम्हारे बेटे का कुछ है ही नहीं ये देखो जर्मनी से आके ये कर रहा है करके बट मेरे को आई एम जस्ट
Anthony Hamilton कुछ बोला क्या?
I was actually missing him, dude. Not gonna
Yeah.
lie.
Yeah.
If he would have been there, he
Yeah.
would be so happy for Nico.
The last time a
Yeah,
German
Chatti
won-
Yeah, yeah.
एंथनी हैमिल्टन तो अंदर चेंजिंग रूम में था
The last time a German won was Sebastian Vettel in his
Yes.
which race was that? I forgot. Let us know in the comments.
With Aston Martin, when I think
Not Aston.
Huh.
He didn't win in Aston
No,
Martin.
he was on podium.
yes Aston Martin has
podium.
been
Oh,
on
yeah.
podium with Aston Martin
Yeah.
and to talk about Aston Martin for a few laps
Bro,
Lance
Lance Stroll was killing it. Bro, he was racing the fuck out of that car.
Stroll and Hulkenberg का क्या strategy था, dude? You like it. This was one of those races where fuck whatever was happening on track, but the weather and the people actually thinking of how should we go about with this race, crazy, dude.
First
because people are
25.
inters then they thought slick पे चलना चाहिए but slick पे they were not having the grip because they couldn't get the temperatures into the tire and it
Bro.
was haywire
शेट्टी मैं बता रहा हूँ मेरे को पहले 25 लैप में I couldn't predict what is going to happen.
Yeah.
the problem
I couldn't.
the problem क्या हो रहा था ये ट्रैक के साथ कि पूरा ट्रैक वेट नहीं था
हाँ.
Yeah.
Three turns.
the last 3 turns were very wet
Yeah.
तो उसमें क्या हो गया कि बहुत लोग आई थिंक किसने सॉफ्ट डाला हाँ हैमिल्टन ने बाद में सॉफ्ट डाला पीपल आर पुटिंग स्लिक हैमिल्टन सॉफ्ट डाल के निकल गया
Yeah.
Yeah.
but again you couldn't get that grip into the car because again it's a very difficult track to drive and some parts of the track are dry some parts of the track are wet it is like driving in the Western Express highway
Yeah.
That's true.
you need to be an experienced rickshaw wala only ki you are like taking turns and Malad it is dry but Kandivali again it is wet
And after Kandivali, there are potholes
Oi.
on the Western Express highway.
Yeah, yeah.
वो experience वाले लोग को ही मालूम है.
And that is why when Bortoleto did that, when he switched and he came on slicks, he couldn't. He crashed because again, it's a very hard risk
Can we
to
just
take.
give it like can we just clap for Behrman. Because out of all the rookies, he finished the race.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All the rookies were
Actually,
out.
yeah.
All of them.
That's
Did you notice
true.
that?
Again, both the hash crashed in between.
वो होते
This-
रहता
Dude,
है.
that
Ullu-
crash. By the way, that crash, like when they showed the replay, it was so synchronized.
It was so-
the way
Yes.
they were
Yes.
spinning.
They were aligned. They were
They were-
aligned.
They were very much
Beautiful.
aligned.
I think for the first time this season, Haas was actually aligned.
So well.
Yeah, you know what they were doing? You know what they were doing when
Donut.
they were spinning? They were
Donuts.
doing zero. दोनों का points.
Yeah.
जो है zero.
Real one.
What did I drop?
तेरा controller.
Oh shit. Sorry.
Yes.
Guys, हल्के में मतलब
हल्के में मत लो, खर्चा किया है हमने.
बहुत खर्चा
ये
किया है.
बोरीवली इंद्रप्रस्थ से लेके आए हम लोग.
हमारे वहाँ घर पे बहुत ऐसा फालतू चीजें
बट जो
दिखेंगी.
गोविंद को ऐसा स्क्रीन में रख के ऐसा लग रहा है गोविंद बहुत बड़ा F1 एक्सपर्ट लग रहा है ना विंचू.
हाँ
जिसको-
यार.
जिसको अपन लोग ने पैसा वैसा दिया है.
और ऐसा अलग पॉडकास्ट वाले कैसे करते हैं कि ऐसा जूम रखेंगे 4 स्क्रीन.
गोविंद
अपन क्या?
अलग-
अपन स्क्रीन, फिजिकल स्क्रीन.
अपन
एकदम मैं टच कर सकता हूँ गोविंद को.
रुक जा. मैं भट्टक जैसा लग रहा हूँ अलग से आगे बस.
गोविंद एक काम करना, तू है ना एक ऐसा-
ग्राफ बना.
तू एक ग्राफ बना ऐसा ऑरेंज ग्रीन, बोला कि हे गाइस
तो ऐसे
समोसा बना दे.
तो ऐसे हाथ से x एक्सिस बना y एक्सिस बना ऐसा.
अरे रुक जा यार,
but
notebook
both
है
the
यार,
Aston
मैं
Martins in
बनाता हूँ.
points this time
Yes.
they're looking great.
Very well.
Both the Aston Martins in point. Even Gasly had a great race. My Gasly had a
Dude,
great race.
Pierre did
Yeah,
so well
P6.
today.
Yeah.
Dude, Shetty, you're like a proper parent to Gasly क्योंकि जब अच्छा करता है तभी तो मेंशन करता है. मतलब बस
That
कुछ
proper
अच्छा
Indian
एक
father.
बार
तो मैं
बीच
क्यों
में अच्छा
मेंशन करूंगा? मेरे घर का भाड़ा भरता है क्या वो?
नहीं my Gasly बोलता है तू when Gasly does
bro, you
something
look at
nice,
that
that's
car,
it.
you look at that team. The team has been through so much. उनका जो टीम प्रिंसिपल है वो गुंडा आदमी है.
Yes.
ठीक है, वो गुंडा आदमी है. वो मतलब प्रॉपर स्कैमर आदमी है. उसको देख के ऐसा लगता है रियल एस्टेट एजेंट है ये अंधेरी आरामनगर में फ्लैट दिखाते हैं लोगों को. वो ऐसा टीम में वो अच्छा कर रहा है. एंड look at the gap between him and Colapinto, man.
Yeah.
I don't know what the fuck is wrong with Colapinto, man.
Dude, चालू होके खत्म हो गया भाई उसका. चालू भी नहीं हुआ
मेरे को
एक्चुअली.
समझ में
कहाँ
नहीं आया कि
चालू?
गाइस प्लीज इसके बारे में प्लीज आप लोग कमेंट सेक्शन में लिखिए कि लास्ट सीजन में कोलापिंटो विलियम्स में इतना प्रॉमिसिंग लग रहा था बट वो इतना क्यों स्ट्रगल कर रहा है इस गाड़ी में. बिकॉज इवन जैक दुहान डिड नॉट लुक दिस अनकंफर्टेबल इन दैट कार एज कोलापिंटो इज लुकिंग. तो प्लीज आप लोग कमेंट कीजिए कि आप लोगों का क्या प्रतिक्रिया है कोलापिंटो की तरफ.
ये रूकी की वजह से तो नहीं हो सकता मेरे हिसाब से. Because
He is a
last
good
time
driver.
Williams, he did really well.
Yeah.
He was nailing it. Now at this point, I don't know if they've released the news of him being in the future races or no.
But that's what was always hanging over him, na. And now with every room, like for example, let's say I'm joining a team. मेरे पहले वाले को उन लोग ने ऐसे ही उड़ा दिया. Now as soon as I've joined, within like 4 months, I am already facing a rumor that there's someone coming after me.
बट
Yeah.
वही ना कि वो जिस स्टेट में गया टीम में अभी तुमको समझ नौकरी देगा बोले काम करो 5 दिन का लिए तुमको ट्रायल पे रख रहे हैं हम 5 दिन के
Yeah.
तुमको 200 रुपए देंगे हम खाने वाने का रहेगा सब. ठीक है तुम देखो उसको तुम प्रेशर में काम कर रहे हो. ही इज नॉट टू हिज फुल पोटेंशियल. आई थिंक इफ दिस कॉन्ट्रैक्ट वुड हैव बीन लाइक अ ईयर डील we would have seen a different Franco Colapinto.
At this point, all love to Franco, but
But there are rumors.
the rumors.
By the way, sorry, just before the rumors, Sauber has come up to 6th in the constructors.
Woo!
Now they're 6th, right below Williams.
Also, I think it's their third race with consecutive points.
Yeah.
Third or fourth, I think.
They're looking really.
Yeah.
They're looking,
They're
and
doing-
both the
they're
drivers
doing
are looking
alright.
comfortable in that car now.
Yeah.
Both, I would also say,
mean,
ऐसे वो अपने Bortoleto, no hables, तो
Yeah. How did Bortoleto get DNF?
Basically, वही हो गया ना. When they pitted, they like everyone was saying the track is not dry enough for slicks.
Did he crash?
He got a slick and he spun and he just went out.
Fuck man.
Which again, he's a rookie, तो मतलब it's not easy to be on a wet track in slicks.
Bro, I think this was the most difficult British Grand Prix I've seen.
yeah.
और एक ड्राइवर नहीं था जिसने who didn't
Complain नहीं
skid
किया.
or slip or anything, dude.
Max was drifting. Ferrari
Yeah, if
का
Max
तो
can do that,
भाई.
then तो मतलब
Dude, even Hamilton, when he put on, I think there was soft डाला when he came on to that, even Leclerc
Yeah.
with his slicks, he was not able to control the car
Everyone
really
was
well.
going
Dude,
off track. Everyone
Leclerc
was like
cut
in
a
the gravels.
corner. His complaint was मेरे visor के अंदर पानी चले गया. भाई मतलब just imagine how hard the difficulty is of the track.
There was the helmet cam of, I think, Russell. And after he gets into the last corner and then there's that straight, you can see him wipe his
Yeah, he kept
uh,
wiping it.
helmet.
तो
Dude, that
लेक्लर्क
was-
के इसमें आधा टाइम पानी का ही प्रॉब्लम होता है सीट के पीछे.
Yeah,
I think
dude.
he's
के अंदर.
waterphobic. What is that?
Hydrophobic.
Hydrophobic. Hydrophobic.
He's mitochondria, power of a cell.
Photosynthesis. Jargons.
He's a hermaphrodite. नहीं, नहीं.
ये क्या है? ये तो मैंने भी नहीं सुना है.
He's a frog who can't leap frog. Yeah, but Leclerc का also happened
Rumors.
qualifying के बाद he got very angry and started fucking cussing.
Who?
Leclerc का fuck कुछ तो
Oh,
बोला ना.
yeah.
Even this guy started ना, मेरे को लगता है कुछ 48 lap पे Verstappen started shouting ना, guys this car is fucking undrivable now.
Yeah.
Everyone were complaining about their cars. एक तो Piastri was complaining about everything and towards the end he was just like कि भाई मेरे को रहने दो, racing करने दो. Don't give me team orders.
Yeah.
Verstappen was like कि brother, this is the most undrivable car in his life. Hamilton was Hamilton. He was trying to catch Hülkenberg but couldn't get there.
5 second
5-7 second का average.
By last, you know, in the last 5 laps of the race, I'm sure God was like, why is everyone praying for this
Yeah.
one guy, dude? Because man, everyone, I've never seen such unanimous, like, let's get this guy a
I
victory.
didn't tell you all what happened. Basically, I was filming for a stand-up special, and as soon as Hülkenberg crossed the line, there was a huge audience applause. And I was so excited that I was clapping for Hülkenberg while watching the show, whereas people were clapping for the stand-up comedian. I was just so happy. I was so emotional. I was like, oh my god, dude, this,
Yeah.
I've seen this guy since like the time I've started Formula One, never seen a podium. I was so happy for that guy.
Dude, the same
Oh my
thing. I was in a
God.
stand-up show, and of course, the audience couldn't watch the race. So the guy, the show got over, and I had a laptop behind, and he came and he was like, "Dude, what are the standings? Like, कौन आगे?" And then I'm like, "Piastri." Then I was like, क्योंकि तभी Piastri आ गया था.
Norris,
Piastri,
yeah, Piastri,
Norris,
Norris.
and I can't believe I said Hülkenberg, dude. And he looked at me like, "What?" Like nothing in the world was worth anything else other than this race, man.
Yeah. I mean, look at this guy. I mean, ये ऐसा ड्राइवर है ना कि सब लोग इसका अच्छा चाहते हैं. ये मैं मतलब कुछ ड्राइवर्स का मैं बताता हूँ ना, सब लोग अच्छा चाहते हैं. एक तो एल्बन हो गया, दूसरा
Yeah.
बोटास हो गया, तीसरा हुल्कनबर्ग हो गया. ये लोग 3 एकदम मस्त लोग हैं. ये 3 लोगों का अच्छा होता है. तो मेरे को भी बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है कि तेरा रूमर्स बात कर सकते हैं अभी.
हाँ चल.
तो रूमर्स दैट यू नो बोटास में भी कॉल्ड इन दैट सीट.
Alpine.
Alpine. I don't know. It's a good thing. I mean, I don't know.
No man, I think Cadillac अब हो सके.
Yeah.
He was teasing Cadillac also ना यार. अब
Cadillac का
कर लो,
पता है
Alpine.
अप्रोच डैनियल रिकार्डो से मना किया.
उसने मना किया. There
Yeah.
is another guy who used to be in Formula One for, I forgot his name. आज उसका भी mention किया था.
Mazepin?
I'll think about. अरे fuck off, dude. गोविंद तेरे को बैंगलोर आके मारूंगा मैं. बॉम्बे आने तक का भी वेट नहीं करूंगा.
गोविंद तेरा टीवी ऑफ कर देंगे हम लोग, समझा ना? ये सब मत बोल।
निकिता
Sorry,
मैसेज
sorry.
नहीं होगा. Who was in Formula 1?
अरे यार.
स्टॉफेल वैंडॉन,
No.
निक डिवरीज,
No.
विजय माल्या.
तू सोच वो फोर्स इंडिया से चला रहा था यार, हुल्केनबर्ग मैन.
सर्जियो पेरेस.
Not even Sergio Perez.
पेरेस का तो था ही ना. मतलब
एक सेकंड
वो rumor तो चल ही
गोविंद,
रहा
तेरे
था
मुंह
कि-
पे योर मीटिंग विल एंड इन 10 मिनट्स है.
Sorry guys, हमारे पास
अच्छा.
premium नहीं है. If you all can sponsor, नहीं, never mind.
Please send money to my account.
Felipe है एक.
अरे आज विवियन टी शर्ट पहना है यार. अब हम लोग
आई थिंक उन लोग अपना सेटअप देख के पैसा दे देंगे, बोलेंगे भाई तुम लोग एक्चुअली में करो यार, ये सब मत करो.
One was Felipe and another one was another Renault driver. But yeah, एक तो Felipe is also in consideration if you guys have heard about
Drogovic.
Cadillac. Yeah, for Cadillac.
हो सकता है भाई,
Yeah,
वो
so-
चला था तो अच्छा है.
Yeah, he's a
गोविंद
great driver.
Felipe हो सकता है.
किधर तो आएगा भाई
किधर
वो?
तो आएगा वो.
But also I heard Arvind Lindblad did really well in FP1.
And I really don't want him to come to Red Bull, to be very fucking honest.
Dude, Red Bull is the worst place
अबे
to come to right now.
एल्पिन और एल्पिन नया रेडबुल बन गया है कि एल्पिन तो वर्स है, बोलते हैं कि और तीन रेस के बाद अदला बदली होता रहता है. मेरे को लगता है फ्लैवियो तो ही चलाएगा अगले सीजन में.
वो भी हो सकता है. Plus at this point, Arvid is doing well in F2. And he's being considered for F1. But he has to go to Red Bull if it is.
He has to, because see
Yeah.
if
And not even the racing Red Bull, like the official Red Bull.
Dude,
that's the worst team to be
Official
in.
Red Bull.
Exactly.
dude,
Actually,
I just
Alpine is worse, obviously.
No,
but
compared to Red Bull,
Alpine
you
का
mean?
जो भी rumor, yeah, of course.
नहीं रे.
But
Alpine का जो भी rumor
अगर
रहता है
Alpine with a
कि-
good driver like Gasly, then it's a good car.
Yeah.
dude, you know,
तेरा Gasly.
in fact, this whole Gasly thing, even when, because of course Gasly was driving very well, and I think it was just to throw shade at Red Bull. But one of the commentators was like he was referring to Gasly, and he's like, another Red Bull reject doing well. Like,
Oh,
ऐसा कुछ तो बोला
yeah.
उसने. Which was
That is so
very,
apt.
which is very
That is
shade
really
throwing,
fucking
but
apt.
of course it's true.
Yeah, I mean, look at
Dude,
the way
Alpine का
Albon
जो भी rumor रहता
Albon
है-
is driving in Williams.
क्या?
नहीं, मैं बस बोल रहा हूँ Alpine का जो भी rumor रहता है कि ये ड्राइवर आ सकता है, वो आ जाता है, सच बना देता है Alpine
हाँ,
हर
Alpine
तीन
सच
race.
बना देते हैं.
Yeah. Yeah. Continue.
नहीं वही ना, look at the way Albon is driving with Williams, again a point with Williams, and he's been doing really well. So again, I think if the biggest domino to fall is, I think it's just very obvious, is Verstappen going to Mercedes. If Verstappen goes to Mercedes, I think it will be a switchback where George Russell इधर आ जाएगा, and they require a number 2 driver. They're not very happy with Sonoda, then they'll have to get Arvind Lindblad here, or else they will keep Sonoda और Arvind इसको अपना लियम लॉसन को टाटा बोलेंगे और लिंडब्लाड को लेके आएंगे.
और रसल किधर जाएगा?
हाँ,
रसल किधर
रसल आएगा ना रेड बुल में.
Red Bull में, it will be a
Red
swap
Bull में.
he's saying.
Bro, listen, man. Like, for fuck's sake, I understand your point. But if anybody can drive a Red Bull at this point, it's only Verstappen.
Yeah, because the car is very sensitive.
Very.
And and dude, that guy is a fucking legend, dude. Like
100%.
Like वो ये P1 qualify किया अपना इसको कॉलेज में, and he knows the car in and out. And I don't know if I don't know, just thinking out loud, उसको हास भी दे दोगे ना तुम, उसको तुम स्टेक F1 भी दे दोगे ना, फिर भी वो लेके आएगा. वो बंदे में है वो.
We did have one person in our DMs who told us, put Verstappen anywhere. Put him in the worst car possible. He will still come in between P6 to P8. Just imagine. And at this point, my following question was, Verstappen is doing really well with a shit car. But once Verstappen goes to Mercedes and Russell comes to Red Bull, do you think he'll be able to pull off what Verstappen pulled off with a Red Bull?
No, that team will struggle. See, I'm telling you, that team will struggle because, they have built a car around Verstappen and the car is very sensitive, it seems. That is what you saw that interview na with the Science se jo bola.
Which one?
Sorry.
Yeah.
पेरेस ने एक इंटरव्यू दिया जहाँ पे सपोजिटली पेरेस ने बोला कि पता नहीं ये कितना सच है, तुम लोग जो कमेंट्स सेक्शन में है वो लोग बताइए. आई थिंक इट्स अ मैक्सिकन कुछ तो
Publication.
को उसने इंटरव्यू दिया. उसने बोला कि भाई मेरे को तो हॉर्नर एक बार हंसते हंसते बोला था, वो तो रेगुलेशन से करके हम लोग 2 गाड़ी दौड़ाते थे तो हम लोग एक ही गाड़ी रखते थे. और he said of the garage did not have experienced engineers. उसका फीडबैक नहीं लेते थे. एंड ऑल्सो Albon has told ना कि द वे Verstappen drives ना, the car is much more sharper and sharper. It's a very sensitive car, and the driving style of Verstappen is very different. It's a very sensitive car. उसने बोला कि अगर आप गेम खेलते हो ना तो हाई सेंसिटिविटी है, थोड़ा भी हिला तो गाड़ी इधर उधर चले जाता है. Verstappen likes that kind of, because his racing style is like that he likes car to be very sensitive, much more sharper. So I don't think that you have any driver in that seat. He will take some time to adapt, and as a team, Red Bull should now understand that they need to give their drivers time to adapt to the car. You can't be fucking changing drivers like it's fucking domino every 6 months.
उन लोग को वही लग रहा है ना that the car is perfect, the driver isn't. But here, Max has proven that it's not driver versus car. It's driver versus driver in the entire thing.
ऑल्सो आई फील द एनवायरमेंट विल चेंज रेड बुल में नहीं क्या अभी कैसा है कि उनको मालूम है कि भाई मैक्स है तो जब जब उनके पास दो ऐसे ड्राइवर्स रहेंगे जो पॉइंट्स रेगुलरली नहीं स्कोर कर रहे वो लोग दे बिकम अ टीम इन द मिडफील्ड द एनवायरमेंट विल चेंज दे विल आल्सो बिकम अ
Yeah.
लिटिल लाइटर कि हाँ बाबा हम लोग को टाइम देना पड़ेगा लोग
बराबर.
Yeah.
अभी हमारे पास मैक्स नहीं है सो एक तो ये हो सकता है दैट Yuki is certainly not a prospect because again he's a Honda backed driver and may go to Aston Martin someday.
After the
I don't
engine
know.
change.
Engine change.
कब
So-
मतलब
Engine change के बाद.
हाँ but I mean I feel like Max ना actually Aston Martin जाएगा more than the Mercedes rumor तो Mercedes rumor लगे रहा है but I think वो Aston Martin ही जाएगा और Lance Stroll को कोई निकालेगा नहीं.
I think we're going saying that it makes sense that Max goes to Aston Martin is because half the Red Bull is there and you have Adrian Newey, Kaka also there.
Kaka is roaming the Aston garages like it's.
So because the car that Max has right now is originally designed by him, so it makes much more sense. But again, Mercedes because they have a great engine. It's a team that is competitive. They have shown they are competitive this season also. They have been consistent. Even with the new driver coming in, with the rookie coming in, he's done good with the car. एक बार तो I mean.
See, rookie coming in racing bulls is another thing.
No, I mean
But see,
Mercedes
the
का
thing is of Aston Martin also has a Mercedes engine and next year say on new regulations में it'll be more engine heavy than anything else. मतलब the focus is more on
Yeah.
engines. And Mercedes kind of has one of the better engines. I mean अभी तक जो भी पता चला and Red Bull का Red Bull powertrains कितना अच्छा होगा क्या पता भाई.
because Ford coming in next year, you never know what happens.
Oh fuck yeah! I forgot about them.
Yeah, Ford coming in next year.
Yep.
Fucking forgot about them.
And also this Mercedes has Toto has been behaving like one pick me.
Oh yeah.
Pick me na, please na, Max, please na, मैं इतना तेरे पीछे पड़ा है.
There's so many memes just coming like Max lands his private jet in Silverstone, London airport, and then Toto's at the window. We're going like Max, aaja Max.
I
please."
mean, see which team principal wouldn't want Max for them, dude.
I don't know which team will want Christian Horner as their team principal.
See, that's a very different topic
Yeah,
altogether.
that's
Because that's also a rumor. That's another rumor that's going around. Christian might go to Ferrari as the team
But
principal.
again, he has stakes in the whole
देख यार
organization.
कुछ खरीदने में ना ज्यादा टाइम नहीं जाता.
हाँ,
फिर
but
बचा कौन Red Bull में?
कोई भी नहीं भाई. Red Bull is a Titanic.
Helmut Marko.
वो मार्को बचा वो तो जिएगा 120 साल तक.
Then
Red Bull is a proper Titanic right now.
No.
Everyone is seeing what is going to happen to it.
So what I think what the alternate approach that Red Bull may have is that if they see talent in Arvind Lindblad, they develop him as a protege like they developed Max, and then 2026 का वो लोग ऐसा बोलेंगे कि चलो 2 साल हम लोग डाल देते पैसा डालते हैं और हम लोग एक protege पे develop करते हैं Arvind Lindblad becomes their Max then.
Red Bull will do what Red Bull did with Max, basically. Again, 3-4 साल डालो, then look at one person.
Or
But
else they
that-
call Albon back.
But that's where Red Bull also
But
did
no
well.
one is going to come back. That's
No
the
one is
thing.
going to come to Red Bull, Baba.
Who's gonna
मेरे को
go
नहीं
back,
लगता.
भाई?
And no person who has gone to Red Bull previously is going to come back.
Agar Red Bull, if you require a new driver who's from Kandivali region, who can do good PR also, me and Yash.
These are your three best options.
Yes, you are our 3 best options. Yes, kindly
Aye.
call us.
I'm very good at F1 24 with 100% AI accuracy. Aye.
I think Arvind Lindblad and Siddhartha Shetty, it's a good lineup.
Yeah, it's a great drivers lineup where I will be P19 always, and
That's true.
so yeah, that is. I think it's bit of a conundrum, and because the whole thing happening, and this whole drivers market wala thing na, it happens around British GP only every year. कि British GP में announce होगा ये क्या?
अरे उन
ये
लोग का
ना-
टैक्टिक है डिवाइड एंड रूल, ये सब उसमें ही होता है.
और ये सिली सीजन ऐसा लगता नहीं है कि खत्म हुआ है.
So yeah,
Govind, what were you saying?
नहीं, I was saying कि कुछ नहीं. I was saying.
Coming to
What a valuable opinion by
Yeah.
Mr. Govind Menon.
what do you all think?
रुक जा. बिल्ली दिखा देता हूँ. हर बार मेरे पास ओपिनियन नहीं बचा.
That's damn true. Can we see your cat, please?
For all our viewers,
मेरे दोस्त का है.
Oh, अच्छा.
मेरे दोस्त का बिल्ली है. रुक जा.
कौन है ये दोस्त था गोविंद? Oh,
oh,
so cute. Did it feel our touch? Benchot. Why did she twitch?
तो क्या बोल रहा
अरे क्योंकि सो रहा है भाई.
Oh, अच्छा, sorry.
हाँ, sorry, क्या बोल रहा था?
मैं बोल रहा था, what do you think about the penalty?
Oh man,
Too harsh, I feel.
very harsh, dude.
Too harsh, I feel, because that kind of fucked his race.
Kind of. It fucked his race, bro. It
It
fucked his
completely
race
fucked his
fully.
race.
But he did what he saw. So I don't know who's lying over here. Because they haven't shown us the footage where Piastri saw the lights go off on the safety car.
So again, one of the things that they were contesting is because even the commentators were saying that Russell also pulled the same thing off. He didn't get the penalty in Canada.
Yeah.
The only reason he didn't get the penalty because the telemetry data was the fact that जब उसने ब्रेक दबाया, it was just 30 psi of pressure.
But Piastri put 60.
Piastri put 60. One is that part. And the commentators also were, because again, FIA ka ruling is very weird. Like, for example, technically, when Max like literally went and pushed himself into Russell and banged him, that is also a 10-second penalty. Someone braking under a safety car is also 10 seconds. So it's just very weird.
Like all these safety car infringements I'm just seeing, I feel like it's a fault of the safety car drivers only.
Yeah, they should be given 10-second penalty. They should be fired from their job.
They should be.
अरे because कितना
How
difficult
Red
है.
Bull changes drivers.
हाँ.
Same safety car के
Or
साथ भी
else,
होना
or
चाहिए.
else these drivers should be taught. They should like how to drive in Western Express Highway.
That's true. Or send Govind Menon as the safety driver.
Yeah, I-20 गाड़ी.
Dude, मैं मेरा i20 वापस किसी ने कमेंट भी किया था हर एपिसोड में i20 आ ही जाता है.
सवाल
मैं मेरा
Govind's
i20 लेके
i20
आऊंगा.
Spray paint करके ऐसे Hyundai के बगल में Aston
Govind's
Martin.
i20 is better than a Ferrari. Better.
नहीं देख
देख,
आज
देख.
लकलक थोड़ा पागलों जैसे चलाया है ऑनेस्टली.
I
थोड़ा
swear
पागलों
to
जैसे नहीं,
God,
but
Govind, you defend that motherfucker. I'll come to Bangalore and slap you.
I can't.
Thank you.
आज लकलक थोड़ा, अरे जब भी देखो लकलक ऐसा और ही कहीं जा रहा था. कोई तो ऐसे फुटेज था जहाँ पे वो चल रहा है और कोई गाड़ी है और लकलक पीछे से ऐसे ही चला गया कहीं.
That's true.
He just kept
That was on his
slipping
slicks,
यार.
I feel,
बहुत.
because he was not able to get
Yeah,
the balance.
yeah.
Because slicks में
He
again
was
the-
not.
Bro,
He was not.
Ferrari strategy was also very shit today. If you're
Yeah. I mean, if you अभी मेरे को लग रहा है ऐसा रेस में तुम क्या स्ट्रेटेजी लाएगा जहाँ पे पार्ट ऑफ द ट्रैक इज वेरी ड्राई, द पार्ट ऑफ द ट्रैक इज वेरी वेट.
It's not even very wet. It's wet as fuck.
Yeah. So what strategy? Even the रेस इंजीनियर भी एंड ऑफ द डे अपन बोलते हैं ना कि रेस इंजीनियर स्ट्रेटेजी करना चाहिए. अरे वो भी तो इंसान ही है. वो लोग का भी उनका भी डेटा नहीं रहेगा because it purely comes down to the driver on a day like this.
And slicks in that wet condition was a very bad.
See, and also the thing is, I feel like, for example, you can have a forecast, you can see that, okay, the track is wet only in like these corners, but nobody's driving the car apart from the driver. So no
That's
one
true.
can take a call on a day like this, where bhai sukha bhi hai, gila bhi hai, like you have like random people, before the race starting, they've already pitted on like a different tire. There's like Hulkenberg, there's Stroll who already pitted and then pitted once more to make up. So it's a very like the strategy today was दिखते हैं.
Yeah, that's
हर लैप में दिखते हैं.
I think तुम लोग देखेगा ना कि स्लिक्स जो पहला बीच में आई थिंक इट वाज द 45th लैप पहला स्टिक डाला अलोंसो ने.
Yeah.
ठीक है, फिर उसके बाद लेक्लेयर ने डाला.
Then full.
Because first domino to follow Alonso also couldn't manage the car. अगर Alonso से नहीं हो रहा है, so it's just difficult. I mean, the race was difficult, and we have to give it to drivers who kind of finished the race in this condition and who scored points
That's
also.
so true. Like Behrman, for a matter of fact, like even though they fucked up a lot.
Someone
of
like
things,
Gasly with that car, with that tractor, and he finishing
He
in
six
points.
लेके आ गया भाई.
bro.
Yeah.
Even Max, he spun the car. He was skidding the entire fucking race. But still, he pushed so hard, so well.
Dude, just on this again point of it being literally dangerous, because even Hamilton said that driving under these conditions are very dangerous.
That's how Hajar fucked up.
I was just coming to that. If you think about it, Hajar did crash into the car ahead of him. But if you remember last year, Hajar did that Monaco wala save, very swerved. So again, even when you have that good of an instant, when the weather conditions are fucked, when you can't see the person ahead of you, it is actually deadly. Even the commentators were saying like at least most of the recent accidents were always in wet conditions.
And
Yeah.
even if you see the footage, as Piastri is leading the pack, there's nothing but spray. Bro,
Yeah.
spray में से गाड़ियाँ निकल रही है. It's so difficult. They had to like clean their visor. Charles के visor के अंदर से पानी घुस रहा है. It seems very deadly.
I think it happened with Hamilton. No, like I think he was in a battle with someone, and they like even the commentators didn't know कि कितना गाड़ी निकल गया, because they're like, dude, we only can't see it in the spray.
It was a very challenging race today.
And also that footage of Hajar's race ending and then Anthony Hamilton coming and taking him and telling, I'll give you guidance.
चड्डी पहना है उसने.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
कैसा लग रहा फ्रेंची में?
Wait a minute.
Wait a minute, माझा फ्रेंची दाखवतो तुला.
Hanuman kind who?
हेजार फैमिली इज लाइक प्लीज ये आदमी को हमारे बच्चे से दूर रखो. दिमाग पे परिणाम हो गया उसका. पूरा दिन में हमारे बच्चे के पीछे लगा रहता है.
Yeah, dude.
But it
I'll
was
give it to
sad.
Norris, bro.
I
Yeah,
mean,
it drove a good race.
He drove
I'll give it
good
to
race.
Norris.
But again, this is one of
He,
those.
see, a lot happened for that P1 to happen.
Again, it falls under that same umbrella of when Max said, "If my mother had balls, he would be my father."
Yeah.
It's that same logic.
Yeah.
Someone
See,
messed up, someone
It's
got
a
the benefit.
It's a very crazy thing that happened because, of course, it depends a lot on luck. And we've seen Norris has good luck with him as well.
Yeah.
He has talent, not like how much I believe he should. Not as much as Hamilton or Max at this point. But he has luck also. He has talent, he has luck. That's a great combination for you to go ahead.
മോണെ ഗോവിന്ദ് മോണെ ഐ ഫീൽ
എന്താ മോനെ?
I will അങ്ങനെ your aim
Valam.
towards Norris should not be this much. അങ്ങനെ little bit you should be like okay leniency, yes, scored a first rank in the class, okay Norris, but you are like always against him, talking cross talk is അങ്ങനെ is wrong മോനെ.
TV बंद कर दे.
The thing is, when Oscar was P1 for a lot of the race, मैं क्यों celebrate करूँ जब Norris जीता 10-second penalty?
Also, this reminds me. This is the first race where McLaren has got a P1, has got a like P1 and P2, and for the first time, it's Norris on P1 and not Piastri.
Yeah. That's true.
Oh,
I'm
इसके पहले there
glad
was
for
1
that
and
though.
3, na?
Yeah.
I mean, Norris won and Piastri 3.
It's been every permutation combination, but whenever it's been a front row P1, P2, it's always been Piastri who is the P1.
And
क्योंकि Piastri overtakes Norris. मतलब Piastri थोड़ी बैठा रहेगा वहाँ पर
Piastri
भाई.
drives
अंगड़े that's why
better.
Shetty. That's why मैं support नहीं कर पा रहा.
fine
Piastri
Norris को
fucking
P1.
drives better.
I also,
Yeah, dude.
and also I think that Ferrari का if we talk about, because Ferrari के बारे में तो बात करनी ही चाहिए हमेशा.
We will talk about them.
I think Hamilton looked good in FP1, FP2, but I don't know qualies में क्या हो गया.
I think the home ground pressure with
Abe,
the bad car.
You're telling that qualies mein there was time left. I think I don't remember in which Q1, Q2, I think Q1 mein, and Hamilton wanted to go for another hot lap, and
They stopped him.
they called him in the pits, and
Yeah,
he's
yeah.
like, "Bro, can I have one more?" And they're like, "Fuel nahi hai." Like,
I mean, it still makes sense, but then again, like,
एंथनी हैमिल्टन वो प्लास्टिक के बाटले फ्यूल लेके खड़ा था.
Bro, it doesn't make sense. You can't tell me that
देख.
this is how you treat a 7-time world champion, dude.
अरे
Come on.
देख ऑनेस्टली मेरे I-20 में भी कभी कभी मुझे जाना रहता है कहीं, मगर उसमें रिजर्व में रहता है मेरा. हो जाता है यार, कभी कभी
तू
देखते नहीं है
कांदिवली में रहता है, तेरा नाम हैमिल्टन नहीं है.
My sister has recently started watching F1, okay? So now she's asking me every questions about like whoever the fuck it is. Her first ever question to me was, why is Lewis so bad? And I was
भाई
like,
लुइस हेटर्स आ जाएंगे वापस.
Arey, no, but it's a fact, dude.
चले.
It's a fact right now. So she's asking like, why is he performing so bad? What is wrong with the car and all of that? So I had to like fucking place pointers in front of her and tell her कि current Mercedes is worse than current
Ferrari.
no. Past Mercedes
Current Ferrari.
is worse than current Ferrari.
Yeah.
So that's why he changed to Ferrari, thinking like it will become great. But now, current Mercedes is much better than current Ferrari.
Yeah.
So she was like, oh man, that's such really bad luck. That's why I say like luck plays a very important role in all of this.
Again, like coming back to luck, if you look at it, dude, Hulkenberg had to wait for 239 races, dude.
Yeah.
And again,
Hulkenberg!
it's not one of those drivers जहाँ पे you're very sure कि हाँ भाई ये P15 से कभी ऊपर आएगा ही नहीं.
You say his name again, I'm gonna fucking dance, man.
Like
fuck yeah,
he
bro.
has been close, but
Yeah.
never there. Never
That's
there.
true.
And
But the thing is, when he's been close, qualifying maybe he's done like better than P19.
exactly.
100%.
Exactly. And
Yeah.
then
Oh, man.
it took
That's-
like a random race with like 3 like safety cars, 2 virtual safety cars, like random sprays, wet, dry together. So luck 100%, dude.
Like, and this guy and this driver has always been consistent. We talk about luck, that is there, that has to be factored in. But when the opportunity was presented to him, एक पॉइंट पे बेचारा पीएसटी को ओवरटेक करने वाला था. वो इतना क्लोज चला गया
was,
था.
yeah.
इतना क्लोज चला गया था with that car. And if you look at it, he's been doing really well. Last year also he did really well with Haas. This year also he's done really well with whatever the car that they're given him with Kicksauber. And that is one guy who should have been in a good team.
That's true. I think like if you would have been in a top tier team, any of the top tier teams,
Like Aston Martin.
Aston Martin,
Yeah.
and even not Ferrari, because Ferrari is very biased when it comes to all of this.
Racing Bulls le lo.
Racing Bulls, Aston
Dude,
Martin,
even Williams
or even,
good for that matter.
or even Mercedes.
Mercedes तो बहुत ऊपर का है, but
But
yeah,
think
I get
about
your
it,
point.
yeah,
I get
he's
your
never
point.
gotten that chance, no, of
Yeah.
having like a really good car.
I think they should I think Audi should retain the same driver lineup for next year, because these guys look good. And what people have been talking about, even Bortoleto, is that he's great. Even Hulkenberg has been like, this guy is very focused and all of that.
That's true.
So I think they should go with the same. And if Cadillac is looking at someone who's experienced, who's seasoned, वो हास में लेके आया है, किक्स ओवर में लेके आया है, मेरे को लगता है Cadillac should go for Hulkenberg.
Yeah.
Renault also.
Also, I think it takes
Yeah.
real special talent for you to be a good driver and stuck always in a mid or a low team. Because any great driver can do great in like a great team.
Yeah.
But
I remembered that guy who was gonna get selected for Cadillac or is in the option.
who?
Ericsson.
Okay.
Yeah, he's also in talks with Cadillac.
I think Ericsson drives in your Le Mans. I think he drives for Le Mans and वो कौन सा है? IndyCar.
Ericsson, I remember him now because he had a really bad crash at Imola. No, Imola? Or Monza. One of, I don't know, some of the track, man.
No,
Too
sure.
drunk to remember. But he's also a very good prospect.
Yeah.
Yeah. But yeah, again,
Yeah,
It's,
I was basically saying, like,
sorry, my bad. I'm
no,
so
no,
sorry.
that's okay. That's okay.
I would have forgotten it, you know.
That's fine. That's fine. I was just saying that you can be a great driver in a great team and you can win easily. But it really takes special talent to be a great driver in a mid team and do well.
That's
like
true.
if you look at it, Peak Alonso, good team, did it. Not probably the best, But even now, if you see, Alonso is in a mid team, but he's still doing great. That speaks volumes of his talent. Leave the team alone.
I think Alonso is getting wasted at this point because he doesn't have a lot of years in Formula One.
Yeah, of
I
course,
feel-
because that is what Aston Martin is trying to do with him is because I think उसको 2026 में उसको रखेंगे और फिर उसको बोलेंगे कि भाई या तो फिर स्ट्रोल तो जा रहा है बिकॉज लॉरेंस स्ट्रोल इज selling his stake in the team.
Correct.
तो स्ट्रोल तो
Is
जा रहा है.
that still happening?
Yeah, mostly that is happening because Govind, it only makes sense to not have Stroll around because if it's a new regulations and if they've invested so much in getting in a team, Aiden Newey, so I think it makes sense to have a driver lineup like Sonoda and Alonso, and get the ball rolling. So I think.
But dude,
एंड ऑल्सो विद होंडा इंजन बिकॉज सी मैं ऐसा नहीं बोल रहा कि जो लोगों का प्रेजुडिस भी है लैंस स्ट्रोल के अगेंस्ट कि अरे भाई वो एकदम खराब ड्राइवर नहीं है, इज अ गुड ड्राइवर, इज अ डिसेंट इनफ ड्राइवर, बट अगेन विद सो मच एट स्टेक राइट नाउ इट्स आई थिंक
Even Lance Stroll has a good luck,
या
He like fuck the money that he has. But चूते का लक भी बहुत अच्छा है. आज भी देख कितना मस्त
right,
चल रहा
the
है वो.
luck is that he's a billionaire's son.
But
So
yeah.
the luck started when he was born.
या लाइक कैश मेरी आंखों में, कैश मेरी बाहों में,
Cash मेरी
कैश
बाहों
on my
में.
mind, making money all the time.
I actually forgot that song, dude. That's a banger song. That's a very good banger song.
Mercedes be
Antonelli, bro. Fucking hell, man.
Antonelli,
What the
yeah.
fuck?
second DNF, sadly.
Is
I
this,
think-
did he get a DNF last race or no?
अरे भाई ठोक दिया ना उसने Verstappen को.
हाँ.
ठोक दिया.
Yeah.
ठोक
Verstappen
दिया.
और वो.
I mean,
जब
even
वो
if he
लोग
did like
दोस्त बन के निकले.
very great, then मतलब उसको वैसे भी 3 place grid penalty था, मतलब
Yeah.
ज्यादा था नहीं उसको.
I don't know, man.
I mean जो अभी टाइमिंग है वो टाइमिंग के हिसाब से he should be at his best because they are considering him if he's being considered as and touted as the future, he should just step up and perform well, grid penalty or not.
You all still
100%.
believe that he won't be, like, he will be in the team if Max is in Mercedes?
See, the problem is that it will be very difficult to manage both of them. ये लोग कितना ही बोले that bad blood is still there and Max is someone जो Max
डिनर में अभी भी रसल के बाजू में नहीं बैठता है.
So I think it only makes sense. I think और मेरे को ऐसा नहीं लग रहा है कि Russell will be out of seat. He will have a seat. Maybe not in a good team. Maybe in a black marker team. You never know. And again there are the
Shetty.
rumor.
एक कमेंट था, तू ब्लैक मार्कर बोलता है.
It's back
मैंने
marker.
notice
Have you
नहीं
heard
किया
it?
था ये.
Have you
Yeah.
seen the comment?
Yeah, I've seen.
I mean, like, shout out to
Yeah,
the
yeah,
guy.
there's a
because
comment.
Shout out to the
he
guy.
He wasn't a dick about it.
Yeah. So
He
it's back
commented
marker.
nice.
But yeah.
You know, I'll tell you something. From the first podcast, I've always noticed he says black marker.
But I don't correct him.
I don't have
yaar.
the heart to tell him that it's black marker.
Yeah. He always
We
says
love you
black marker.
too much to be correcting you at this point.
अपने तो अपने होते हैं.
But then that guy
अब
doesn't
पराए
love you.
गांड मारते हैं
जो तेरे
comment
को-
में.
अरे यार बहुत cute. Also, just to point out, everybody who sent their predictions on YouTube, Instagram, all of y'all are wrong. किसी का भी सही नहीं आया for very valid reasons.
हल्कनबर्ग ने भी सोचा नहीं रहेगा ये प्रेडिक्शन.
Exactly.
उसके घर वालों ने प्रेडिक्शंस भेजा रहेगा, उन्होंने उसको नहीं डाला रहेगा.
अरे
उसमें.
बाप रे, I love Hulkenberg tonight.
Just for an insight of how we do this, every time we put prediction stories on after the qualifying, it is there till the race begins. And once the race starts, we generally start sorting ki haan theek hai ye aaya ye aaya. Someone got first two, right? This is the only time no one of us has opened the
Because
predictions
I am 100% sure
because nobody predicted Hulkenberg.
no one can ever do that. Unless you're from the
And
future.
like this is a race where Max is on pole and matlab there's just it's
dude.
pura hi ulta pulta.
You know, my
Norris
prediction-
first, Piastri
My
second.
prediction last episode was that Max will win.
I know.
So thanks, Max.
Mine was two British drivers. and technically
Yeah, that's what
Hamilton did come. Hamilton did come close.
He came very close. I think Hamilton. There's something with Silverstone and Hamilton. He was very comfortable with the car and everything. But again, yeah, मेरे को लगता है strategy fuck up हो गया और qualifying में मेरे को वही लग रहा है कि या तो qualifying में अच्छा कर रहा है वो रेस में ट्रांसलेट नहीं हो रहा है या तो रेस में अच्छा कर रहा है. I don't know what is. There is
I
some
think-
kind of mismatch.
I think at this point, all the driver and constructors championship में जो भी हो वो होने वाला है. The best part at this point is Toto outside jet waiting for Max to join the team. That's the only thing that is happening.
Yeah. And that is happening, I feel, because with so many people talking about it, the rumors are like.
Yeah.
There was I don't know if you all saw the image of like Max outside of like the media room, but talking to each and every media, and then him just sitting at the table like this. He's
Oh,
surrounded
yeah.
by media.
That was a real thing, or what?
Yeah.
That was from this one.
Yeah, Silverstone.
Oh, I didn't know that. I saw that, but then I thought it's one of those meme photos that someone made.
No.
वैसा.
वो नहीं
वो
बात
मुंह
कर रहा
झुका
है
के
ना,
बैठा
वो
हुआ था
actually
वहाँ पर
इसमें बात
पूरा।
ही नहीं करता है ना.
हाँ, नहीं वो मेरे को पता है, but I just thought it's like a random.
No,
photo.
that's him. That's 100% him.
No, that's
But-
very.
By the way, now McLaren constructors में they have double the points of second. I mean, Ferrari is second, but they have double the points.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
And not a lot
Fun
of difference
fact.
between Piastri and Norris now.
8 to be precise.
Yeah.
आठ रहेगा भाई. अब पियास्ट्री कर लेगा कवर भाई. अब क्या है?
Ah,
अरे
Piastri fanboy.
कर लेगा कवर PSG.
Yeah.
दो
It's
तीन.
also it's only halfway. It is exactly halfway through the season.
Yeah.
So we still have 12 races to go.
Well, also, like a lot of people are asking about screenings. We're still figuring it out. We have very busy people amongst us. So we need to figure out their schedule, their everything. Plus, both
But
of us
screenings
also.
will
are-
happen. Don't.
Yeah.
Not to worry. We will have screenings. We will announce it on our page.
Yes.
Please tell your friends to follow us on the gram. Drivers to survive 2 in numerical
We'll have it over here.
means a lot to us. Next race का prediction भेज दो.
Next race का predictions please भेजो. अगले हफ्ते तो race नहीं है.
अगले हफ्ते नहीं है. So
After 2 weeks, Zandvoort? नहीं, कौन सा है?
हाँ ये बेल्जियम है शायद.
Wow, I love that race.
Spa.
Yes.
Spa.
Spa-Francorchamps.
Also, please let us know if y'all are, if any one of y'all plays Formula One on PS5 or computer, because Govind and I are very avid gamers. Very, very.
Yeah, please बताओ. अब
So
मैं
we
better
can
हो
create
गया हूँ, अब मैं
lobbies,
बहुत
play
अच्छा हो गया.
together at one particular time. That'll be a lot of fun.
Yeah.
और
And,
शेट्टी मेरे घर पे आ जाएगा खेलने के लिए.
who
बाजू
can
से.
resist this sexy boy? गोविंद तेरे बारे में बात नहीं हो रही है. खुश मत हो.
नहीं मैं शेट्टी को देख रहा हूँ.
मेरी
मैं तो नहीं रहता, मैं तो शेट्टी.
मेरे बॉडी की ऊर्जा. So
We will keep you all updated about everything that is happening, and anything that you all want us to do next, please mention in the comments. And thank you so much for following us on Instagram, YouTube. Tell your friends to subscribe and follow as well. And this content will keep coming.
And please
from
share if you like
India's
any of the
number
reels.
one F1 podcast.
yeah. And if you like our reels, please share it on your
Yes.
Instagram. Means a lot to us. Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you so much. Govind Menon, Siddharth Shetty, Vivin Castellino, Yash Barse. Thanks for watching. We will see you all in the next episode. Hulkenberg.
हाय यश, हाय विवियन. ये मैं बीच का रिकॉर्ड कर रहा हूँ. तुम लोग को सुनाई दे रहा होगा कि मैं रिकॉर्ड कर रहा हूँ, मगर अब वीडियो नहीं है, मैं खुद से बात कर रहा हूँ.